Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can redeem your Obucks gift card. Keep watching the video till the end. To redeem your Obucks gift card, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in openbox.com and make a search. The official page of Obucks gift card will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed option, click on Products. From the drop-down, click on Obucks Gaming Card. Under Check Balance, enter your 16-digit code and 4-digit PIN code, then tap on Submit. This is how you can redeem your Obucks gift card quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.